speech on sports and games for students and children. Sports and games are important for all round development and are an important part of our routine. Moreover, along with routine education, they help to shape our personalities. Also, they keep our body strong, healthy, and fit. It gives us a change from the same old routine and relaxes our mind and body. Moreover, it is important because it is a useful means of entertainment as well as a way to do physical activity. Furthermore, they build character and gives a huge amount of energy and strength. One who is advantages of sports and games, one who is constantly involved in sports and games activity, she or he has good mental and physical growth and development. Also, it helps us to learn many new things in life. It assists us in building confidence, develops our personalities, and maintain mental and physical balance. Sports and games help us to tackle and learn about how to overcome difficult situations in life and keeps body relaxed and mind free from tension. Also, it develops the habit of working in a team by developing a sense of friendliness among team members. It also makes the person with mental and physical toughness by shaping the body and mind and removing laziness and tiredness. Furthermore, it improves the blood circulation throughout the body, therefore improving the physical and mental well-being of the person. These sports and games activities make a person more capable of a high level of efficiency. Also, it removes the mental exhaustion and makes us more capable to do any hard work. Besides, in the modern education system, sports and games are an integral part of the syllabus and make education interesting, enjoyable, and tension free. Nowadays, education is considered as incomplete without the involvement of sports and games activities. Also, these activities draw more attention from the children towards the study. Significance of sports and games. These activities are very important and necessary for the children and the young generation as it stimulates mental and physical growth. In addition, it improves their memory level, learning capacity, and concentration level. A child can be a famous national or international sports personality if from childhood she or he practices the sport or game regularly. Children need to participate in all the sports competitions of their schools and colleges as it removes their hesitation and motivates them to go ahead in life. For good sportsmen at school or a college level, sports and games are a nice career option for them in the future. Furthermore, it gives them the opportunity to grow in life and earn name and fame from it. At present, every school in the country are developing schools and colleges in both rural and urban areas so that the students having an interest in sports and game activities can get a better path to go ahead. Why sports and games are important? Along with bookish knowledge, sports and games are also very important. Sports and games like cricket, football, tennis, and badminton, etc., have many benefits for the mind and body. In the short run, they might not appear fruitful, but in the long run, they are very beneficial. Moreover, they gradually build up a healthy body and make the mind more energetic. In addition, regular participation in outdoor activities and games makes the body fit and relieve the body from stress. To sum it up, the participation of children of schools and colleges is unsatisfactory, and for improving these, teachers and staff needs to motivate students and participate in sports and games. They need to tell them about the importance and benefits of sports and games so that their lifestyle can improve. This will also increase their mental and physical health level.